Are you trying to decide between ONErpm and TuneCore for your music distribution? You are not alone. Today, we'll compare these two popular platforms to help you choose the right one for your needs. Both ONErpm and TuneCore help musicians get their music on streaming services like Spotify and Apple Music. They make it easier for artists to reach fans worldwide. But they have different features and pricing which can make a big difference. Let's start with ONErpm. This platform is known for its user-friendly interface. It offers a range of services including distribution, marketing, and even publishing. OneRPM also allows artists to keep 100% of their royalties, which is a big plus for many. Now, let's look at TuneCore. TuneCore has been around for a while and is trusted by many artists. They also offer distribution to major streaming platforms. One unique feature is their ability to help artists with publishing and licensing. TuneCore charges a fee for each release, which can add up over time. So, what are the main differences? OneRPM allows artists to keep all their earnings, while TuneCore has a pay per release model. This means if you release a lot of music, TuneCore might get pricey. On the other hand, OneRPM's model can be more beneficial for artists who want to release frequently. When it comes to features, both platforms have their strengths. OneRPM is great for artists who want full control over their earnings. TuneCore offers strong publishing services which can be useful for songwriters. Pricing is another key factor. OneRPM doesn't charge upfront fees for distribution, while TuneCore does. If you're just starting out, OneRPM may be the better option. But if you plan to release a few singles a year, TuneCore could work well for you. In conclusion, if you want to keep all your earnings and release music regularly, OneRPM is a solid choice. If you need strong publishing support and don't mind paying for each release, TuneCore might be the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights.